you go to the other way, you can see it. Can you see it? It's under the chest.